Hi guys, so do you have problems opening your online games? And you can freely browse the net, and you can watch videos, upload and download too, but you can't open your online games. So I already fixed mine, but I will show you how to fix yours also. Uh, do not You have tried turning off your firewalls on your computer and your router, but that didn't work. Have you also tried reinstalling and installing the game? And if that didn't also work, this should be the fix for you. So when you try to open your online games, like, they will just be stuck at updating or loading screen. What I want you to do is, first you have to open your task manager, and because I already fixed mine, I'll show you. There will be an application on your task manager that looks like this. It will have a name like this, like that, and it will have no icon. It will have no icon. Okay, literally no icon. What I want you to do is right click on that, open file location, and once you're in the file location, end that task. Once you end that task, delete all of the files in that folder. Delete it, and then try to run your game now. Okay, and if that works, please leave a like and a comment and a subscribe button. Thank you guys.